Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 Wi-Fi connected but no internet access fix. First method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check use the following DNS server addresses. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Type ipconfig space, /release. Type ipconfig space, /renew. Exit and restart system. Third method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Find network adapter name. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Network Adapter, click Update Driver, search automatically for drivers, click Search for Update Drivers on Windows Update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.